Hello friends, welcome back as Rock Technical. Today we look at miscellaneous MCQ of UPPCL, JEE, NHPC, JEE, DFCC, IL and all JEE exam. Let's start. If the maximum load of generating station and the rated plant capacity are equal, then option 1 load factor is 1, 2 capacity factor is 1, 3 load factor and capacity factor are equal, 4 utilization factor is poor. Correct answer is load factor and capacity factor are equal. Option 3. Next one. For industrial furnace where temperature should remain constant, which material is suitable for heating element? Option 1 nichrome, 2 eureka, 3 tungsten, 4 platinum. Correct answer is nichrome. Option 1. Next one. In a DC generator, the critical resistance can be increased by option 1 increasing its field resistance, 2 decreasing its field resistance, 3 increasing its speed, 4 decreasing its speed. Correct answer is increasing its speed. Option 3. Next one. Which material have negative temperature coefficient? Option 1 brass, 2 copper, 3 aluminium, 4 carbon. Correct answer is carbon. Option 4. Next one. The secondary of CT is never left open circuited because option 1 heat dissipation in the core will be very large. 2. The core will be saturated and permanently magnetized, rendering it useless. 3. Dangerously high EMF will be induced in the secondary. 4. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Option 4. Next one. In ladder logic, each rung in the ladder represents option 1 digit, 2 motion, 3 sensor, 4 rule. Correct answer is rule. Option 4. Next one. Which of the following point about the RMS value is incorrect? Option 1 the heat produced due to AC is proportional to the RMS value of the current. 2 the RMS value can be determined by graphical method. 3 the ammeter and voltmeter record the RMS value of current and voltage respectively. In case of alternating quantities, the RMS value are used for specifying the magnitude of alternating quantities. Correct answer is heat produced due to AC is proportional to the RMS value of the current. Option 1. Next one. The following system is used in connection of various lamp and appliances in parallel. Identify the system. Option 1 gain in system, 2 loop in system, 3 voltage in system, 4 parallel in system. Correct answer is loop in system. Option 2. Next one. The annual depreciation of a hydropower plant is about option 1 0.5 to 1.5%, 2 5 to 10%, 3 10 to 20%, 4 25 to 30%. Correct answer is 0.5 to 1.5%. Option 1. Next one. Anode is formed by dash in lead storage battery. Option 1 PB 2 plus 2 PbO2, 3 Pb, 4 Pt. Correct answer is Pb. Option 3. Next one. At what temperature value is the insulation resistance corrected if it measured to be different? Option 1 30 degrees Celsius, 2 25 degrees Celsius, 3 22 degrees Celsius, 4 15 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is 25 degrees Celsius. Option 2. Next one. Which Indian electricity rule is applicable to servicemen? Option 1 Rule 30, 2 Rule 39, 3 Rule 73, Rule 51. Correct answer is Rule 30. Option 1. Next one. Choose the incorrect statement with respect to synchronous machine. The rotating air gap field and the rotor in the machine rotate at the same speed. Option 2. The power factor of the machine is always closer to 0.9 lag at any condition. 3. It runs at a constant speed at a steady state when it is connected to fixed supply with variable load. 4. The rotor poles are excited by a DC current and its stator winding are connected to an AC supply. Correct answer is power factor of the machine is always closer to 0.9 lakh at any condition. Option 2. Next one. With the increase in supply frequency of transformer, there is dash in rating. Option 1 decreasing, 2 increasing, 3 no change, 4 none of this. Correct answer is increase. Option 2. Next one. Which material have negative temperature coefficient? 1 brass, 2 copper, 3 aluminum, 4 carbon. Correct answer is carbon. Option 4. Next one. The given symbol below. Option 1 rheostat, 2 capacitor, 3 inductor, 4 diode. Correct answer is rheostat. Option 1. Next one. Self-inductance of the conductor is one of the reason for. Option 1 skin effect, 2 Ferranti effect, 3 stereoscopic effect, 4 corona effect. Correct answer is skin effect. Option 1. Next one. Scott connection transform can convert A 3-phase to 2-phase, 2-phase to 3-phase, 2-phase to 4-phase, D 3-phase to 4-phase. From the above option, correct answer is option 1 A and C, 2 B and C, 3 B and D, 4 A and B. Correct answer is A and B. Option 4. Next one. The following symbol is used for. Option 1 tunnel diode, 2 variator, 3 Schottky diode, 4 photodiode. Correct answer is Schottky diode. Option 3. Next one. Which among these tests are to be conducted on wiring installation? Option 1 testing of polarity of non-linked single pole switches, 2 testing of earth continuity part, 3 testing of earth resistance, 4 all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Option 4. Next one. Specifies the shape voltage that the insulation of a cable can be withstand. Option 1 minimum operating voltage, 2 nominal operating voltage, 3 voltage grading of cable, 4 specific voltage of cables. Correct answer is voltage grading of cables. Option 3. Next one. In a BJT, alpha and beta are related by the expression. Option 1 alpha equal to 1 by 1 minus beta, 2 alpha equal to 1 by 1 plus beta, 3 alpha equal to beta by 1 minus beta, 4 alpha equal to beta 1 plus beta. Correct answer is alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Option 4. Thanks for watching my channel. Let's do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.